Let's have a look at the pound on the live charting here, 128.20. We had the spike through to 128.60, but we seem to have backed off quite from that. Presumably, not much is going to happen until Mr. Carney speaks on that particular cross. Yeah. Another cross which is of interest to me is Euro Sterling, where I think we've seen months and weeks of the retail traders being short of this, and have a few glimmers of hope. But basically, it's been a one-way trip, hasn't it, from 83, 84 pence onwards.
Yeah, I'd be very interested to see Carney's next move, the sort of open mouth operation, as they say. Because, of course, it's been a bit of a roller coaster, and part of this is the fast that is forward guidance, a la Threadneedle Street. So we had that surprise 5-3 vote at the last MPC. We had Mark Carney trying to calm everybody's nerves, saying now is not the time for a rate hike. Shortly thereafter, and then Andy Haldane just wades in and just goes, well, actually, I might vote for a rate rise next time around. So, we went into this month with the market thinking there was maybe something like a 15% chance of a rate hike in the UK by the end of this year. That's now 46%, when I looked at it this morning, and over a 70% chance of a rate hike taking place by the end of next year. Now, one of the things which is quite interesting for me, at least, was the financial stability report out of the Bank of England, which was for me was extremely hawkish. And one of the things they did, for instance, was effectively tighten capital rules for the banks. They increased the counter-cyclical buffer. More of that to come later on in the year in November. And I'm wondering whether they are trying to do things to tighten monetary policy without actually changing the headline rate, and that may placate some of the members, such as Haldane, which seems to be a bit of a loose cannon on the MPC at the moment.
Okay, well, let's just check the price of euro dollar at the moment, 113.58, so maintaining most of its recent gains.